Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to delete all posts on your Facebook account. Okay, let's go to the video. Okay, go to your profile. Then you can see here three dots. Click on it and then click on activity log and then click on manage your post. Here you can see all the posts you have posted on your Facebook account. Here you can select post one by one that you want to delete, or you can select all by click on all, and then you can see the bottom recycle bin. Click on that. Then again ask question, move to recycle bin. Also it says items moved to recycle bin will be deleted after 30 days. That means you can't restore your post after 30 days. It will be deleted permanently. Okay, then again click on move to recycle bin. That's it. Now your all posts have been deleted and they have been moved to recycle bin. Okay, then let's go to recycle bin. You can see here on the top recycle bin, click on that. Here you can see all deleted posts. Again, if you want to restore this post, you can restore here. First, you need to select post that you want to restore. And you can see on the bottom restore, click on that. Then again ask to restore profile, click on restore. Here you can see the selected post has been restored. That's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe my channel. Have a great day.